Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Safari using your iPhone. Dark mode is easier on the eyes and also can help save battery life, but in Safari, it doesn't have a dedicated dark mode setting. You'll need to enable it through the system-wide dark mode. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And inside the settings menu, scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. Now under Appearance, tap on Dark. You will notice that your device's interface has now turned into a dark mode. Now go back to the home screen and tap Open the Safari browser. And your Safari application's interface will now switch to dark themed background automatically. Other supported apps will also be the same. That way you can set dark mode in Safari using your iPhone. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.